it's an achievement that we have hit our target, and as you can see, I've been withdrawing from since date 628. 628, you can see 0701, and today, which is 02, we have finally withdrawn finally all our US dollars. So let me show you how much they were after trading, and I'll be showing you what happened. So we reached at 60,000 USD. So you can see my 64 there, 64 345, that is 0.00016 BTC. And it's very easy, very easy. If you have some USD, you just withdraw by using Binance. I don't know what you use, so you just go to the P2P, and you just sell your USD. You either deposit it on your mobile device, or you do it via the bank. So for me, I deposited everything onto the bank, and this is after reaching the target of 60,000 USD. Despite that, I've done it past 2 days. I can say it's better. It's better. I've achieved my my target. So let me show you what happened. Had reached at 48,000, then executed today, reaching to 61,000 USD. So that was the target. When we did a video, I was around 40. So let me show you what was it. So you come there to sell. That's why you now do your trading. So let me just show you an amazing thing. I want you to look at these people, the available balance. This one, the top one has 10,000, the other one has 427. 427. So the other one has 95, the other one has 158, the other one has 486,000 USD. You can imagine these people have got money. Like now with mine with a 60, you can imagine now these people with over something over 150,000. So don't limit yourself. Believe in yourself that you can also make it. So if you are out there and you are trading, I would like to encourage you, look at these people where we normally withdraw our money from. So let's get started. Welcome back to tradeprofx.co.ke, and remember we are at a cross around 39 to 40,000 USD, and I've never reached at my target, which was 60,000 USD, and today was the last day, and this is what I'm going to use, the Deriv binaryoptions.com, which is the manual way. And you can see we have also the automate. I don't know whether you have seen this feature. For the automation, you can just run your trades by just analyzing if it is even, odd, or any other contract type, whether over, under. You just set and execute your trades on the deriv.binaryoptions.com. And I want to try and reach my target of 60,000 USD, because already 1 month is over, and we are on the second day, and I have not achieved my target. So I'll be using the rise and fall. So I'll be changing here to 1 minute, then candlesticks, then there is an opportunity. If you look at this market here, the market is trying to decide whether to go down or up. That's why we have so many doji candlesticks. So if I zoom out here, you are going to see that here we have a doji candlestick which is showing an indecision. So I want to enter sell fall. I want to enter fall using this, because I can see it was trying to make the higher highs and higher lows. So I want to enter false using one tick, like now here. This let's put 5,000 USD, because that is the maximum you can use, and my account can able to sustain. So we start clicking, so at least so that we can scoop many falls at one possible time. So there is a loss there, win, a loss, and let's see. So 59 point, okay, good. Let's the last one, let's see. We are 59.582. So we have made close to 13 or 12 something. So let's try the 1 minute. We try going because the market will still go down. So I want us to use the 2 minutes way. So we are going to enter with 1 minute. Let's check on the 5 minutes candlestick, and I can confirm it's a sell because it seems it is going to go down. So I'll just enter. Remember, we are entering at a 2 minutes candlestick time frame. So in case we see falls, in case we see, we can see, if I zoom out, you will see in the zone which it is. So probably we are hoping to go down because for it to fill the fair value gaps, and we see where we can reach. So let's observe on the positions, which are 5 of them, and you can see we are waiting for it to cross. So after 2 minutes, everything will already have crossed properly. So we have entered using a duration of 2 minutes. So you can see it remainder is 1 minute 33 seconds. So we just hope that we are going to scoop something out of here. Perfect. You can see we have entered the green zone, and let's see. Let's just wait. What is going to be the outcome? And you remember you can close at any point that you want. So for me, I'll just wait for all the trades to fully complete, and I see where I'm going to, because I had seen that entry as a fall, which is going to give me an edge to reach my 60,000 USD, and it will be my final because I need to do a project of buying purchasing a land, and that is the aim. That's the aim. I'm hoping. Oh, I'm very hoping 11 negative. So some tensions, some tensions. I believe every day in negative 20,000. Every trader has the tensions. Even speaking, you can see me. Let me just confirm that it's going to go. Yeah. I have some. Oh yeah, I have one. Okay, negative 500. What is happening in the tool? The candlestick is moving down. Okay, there's a positive there. Another. Oh. Let's just be. Oh yeah, perfect. Yeah, I don't know why sometimes whenever you are very near, very near, and I told you something. So finally the three have helped me scope something out of it at 61,000, and with a bonus of 1,683, and I'm a happy man. My final target, even if I've achieved it on the second day of the next month, basically I'm very happy. By the way, you can use the automate button, and you can see it has moved down. So it has hit the low down before it goes on an uptrend. So right now, because of that, remember, we normally see the demand zone and the supply zone. So it tends, because of this, you can see there is a tendency that now it can pick a momentum to go upwards. Why? Because of that down demand zone there. Let's just try now using a small. Let me just show you using a 20 USD stake, the automation, which is here. You just click automate, and then because we are using minutes, we return back to ticks. Then you just go down and run your bot. You will note that it will start now executing trades automatically. So we are trading. What did I trade for? So let's see, and you can see what is happening. So in case there is a loss, it will pick a martingale. In case there is a loss again, it will pick a martingale. So let's see where we are going. So recovered back that, and it's very funny. I've never understood now, but right now, even if they can take my money, I have no issue, because I have a bonus of over 1,000 plus, and right now no tension like the one I had. And that is how you can achieve your goal, as long as you trust yourself, and you keep saving. Whenever you make any amount, you keep saving, and then you try that much you after you just maintain. Because now you can see I was trying to save, trade responsibly. I reached at 48, and now the second day I've made over 10,000 USD simply by just trading rise and fall using the Deriv binary options.com. And At least now I can go purchase my own rand that I was in agreement, and that is the project. So do projects with whatever amounts you get. You do projects with whatever amounts you get. So basically, you can see the automation is working. So you can use it and execute your trades based on a certain analysis, especially trading over under or rising, especially over and or even odd, using the strategies I've shown you. So let's end there and we call it a day. So that's how you stop. And basically I have nothing much to talk about. You can see it has already gone up as I told you. So just trust the process, and I wish you all of you all the best. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.